Our friends, our next speaker is past Governor Keerthman Sakya. You have heard a lot of reports what's happening in India. Now let's hear what's happening in our neighborhood. This is a South Asia Literacy Summit. So may I invite past Governor Keerthman Sakya.
Rotarian Keerthman Sakya is a past district governor from District 3292. He has been very active in the spread literacy movement in Nepal. A very compassionate Rotarian, he liaises with the government to facilitate many social service initiatives. He has served as the Chief Secretary of his country. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Rotarian Keerthman Sakya.
Rotary International South Asia Committee Chair, PRIP Kalyan Banerjee and Binota Bhavi, Convener PRID Shekhar Mehta and Rasi Bhavi, Session Chair PRID Sushil Gupta, who is very much instrumental in bifurcating RI District 3290 and creating RI District 3292 Nepal. Thank you, Sushil Gupta. And also Convener PRID PT Prabhakar, Rotary South Asia Literacy Summit Chair PDG Binay Kulkarni. Warm greetings, fellow Rotarians, and warm greetings from Rotary, Rotaract, Interact, Rotary Community Core, Inner Wheels of RY District 3292, Nepal and Bhutan. And also convey my best wishes and congratulations from my friend Madhav Prasad Paudel, Minister of Education, who cannot come, and also best friend Khilraj Regmi, Prime Minister, officially called Chairman of the Council of Ministers of Nepal, whose photo is printed in the program document as page 31. We all know that literacy happens to be one of the root causes of poverty, unemployment, lack of hygiene, and also eventually peace. Countries in South Asia are faced with increasing population, particularly amongst the lower economic sections, and seriously require a social commitment by NGO, INGO, GOs participation for creating a new world for future generations to live. To address the issue more significantly, between 1st and 3rd March, a Rotary South Asia Summit on Literacy was organized, as most of you know, in Nepal, hosted by RI District 3292 Nepal, with the cooperation of our Ministry of Education, Government of Nepal, with the active role of UNICEF and UNESCO, besides other corporate institutions. The aim was to find practical and simple ways to address the issue of attaining the commitment of total literacy by 2017 in South Asia, with a focus on child development, school development, and total literacy mission. With a commitment made in that conference, Total Literacy by 2017, we in Nepal came up with the National WISH program, as Shekhar Mehta came up with the TEACH program. And we established National Coordination Committee, chaired by myself and the District Governor, District Basic Education and Literacy Chair, and the 4 other WISH committee chairmen as the ex officio member of the committee, and the committee's tenure is up to the end of December 2017. The 4 committee, as Shekhar came up with the TEACH committee, we have 4 committee. One WISH, W, is Water and Sanitation Committee, providing drinking water and toilet, because toilet is the one of biggest factor. Because of that, not having not proper toilets, the girl students are drop out from the schools in a high number. Then we have I, infrastructure and school development, or as here put it, happy school. And then we have also under yes is school scholarship and child development, and then YETS, with human resource development, adult literacy, and teacher support program. So it is quest for Roti District 3292 called that it could not work in isolation, and no one could work in isolation, and needed the partnership and cooperation of the government, UNICEF and UNESCO, besides other agencies working and contributing in the sector. Accordingly, a workshop on literacy development in Nepal was held on 11th and 12th January 2013. Although a follow-up of the previous summit, South Asia Summit, the aim was to further consolidate the partnership, especially between government, UNICEF, and UNESCO. In pursuit of the individual's right to quality literacy program, the workshop called on governments to work in full consultation with international agencies, international and national NGOs, and civil society groups to deliver necessary reform of system and settings. Then after, on 25th September 2013, and under the aegis and in the presence of Minister for Education, a memorandum of understanding was signed between Minister of Education, Government of Nepal, and the Roti International District 3292, Nepal and Bhutan. The MOU set to achieve the goals of understanding and have a following action plan. RI District 3292 will increase each Roti club to participate in school adoption program with the following action. 1. Create, renovate toilet, especially for the girl childs in school, provide clean drinking water in school, provide school furnitures, items, create or update libraries, provide equipment, computers, and other materials, provide sports and recreational facility, provide midday meal, provide scholarship, including uniform and textbook, organize teacher training program, conduct adult literacy to non-literate adults in the selected PDC and wards of the municipality. I just give you little figures and facts of the Nepal literacy condition. Nepal is the 5th poorest country in the world, and it has one of the highest illiteracy rate. Its literacy is 45.2% and is the world's 15th illiterate country. More than half the total population of Nepal cannot read and write. Female literacy is less than the half of the literacy of males. There are, compared to India, it is a very small number and amount. There are 26,277 government schools in Nepal with 6 million students. On average, a school has about 230 students. On average, a school has about 5 teachers. A teacher has 50 students. About 200,000 students are studying in 473 colleges and campus. The Roti International District 3292 has presently 87 clubs, one includes one in Thimphu, Bhutan. Moreover, there are approximately 2,750 plus Rotarians in RID 3292, selflessly contributing in serving humanity. Roti clubs' strengths also lie in their partners in service, Rotaract, Interact, Roti Community Corps, Inner Wheelers, and so on. In Nepal, Roti Club have undertaken a number of projects such as supporting construction or rebuilding, refurbishing school infrastructure, development, toilets especially for girls, drinking water supply, girl-child education, scholarship, provision of school materials, school benches, desks, adult education, providing computers and established libraries, providing uniform and midday meals, running CLE program, the list goes on. So now I will finish. Presently, following the MOU with the Ministry of Education, Rotary Nepal has been trying to work on formats to assist the government in meeting its target on 100% literacy according to Millennium Development Goal by 2015. The Non-Formal Education Center, which is probably more responsible in this area, has requested RI District 3292 to partner in this area. In advocating towards total literacy in Nepal, RI District 3292 targets all school-going children, especially girls, and also elders beyond the age of 60 as limited by the government, additionally complementing the government's program for ages between 15 and 60 only. Finally, the Rotarians and RI District 3292 Nepal and Bhutan are very happy and proud that PRD, ID Kalyan Banerjee and PRID Shekhar Mehta organized the first Rotary South Asia Literacy Summit in Kathmandu, and here second summit in New Delhi, India. We hope this mission or this initiative will continue till the South Asia becomes totally literate, and we, the Rotarians from RI District 3292, congratulate Kalyanji's initiative and Shekhar's initiative to success, and for fellow Rotarians of South Asia to make this initiative success, and this mission will go on, continue, and on till South Asia becomes totally literate. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tirth Manji, for a very fine presentation on your planning in Nepal. And I am sure, the way Nepal was far ahead of India in polio eradication, and so will you be in the illiteracy eradication and make Nepal literate. Thank you.